think she needs some new hood struts. Get this to work as a hood prop. As long as I don't bump that, it should work okay. Stop it here just in case. Alright, let's strutify this pig. The new struts here. So on this particular strut, you have one connector that has a flat side. You have one connector that has a slightly angled side. The angled side is the one that connects to the top. The flat side is the one that connects to the bottom. So our new strut has the connectors on the opposite ends. Not a problem, they unscrew easily. We'll swap those right now on both struts. These ends unscrew easily. So we just want to remember that we want the angled one to go up top. I'll do one side at a time so I don't get them mixed up. Angled one on top. Now the flat one, the one with the flat side on the bottom. Okay, so angle one on top. Bottom on bottom. So these strut connectors are held in with, it's a ball and socket held in with a clip. So either a little flathead screwdriver or a pair of pliers. Just to pinch it and pull it out. I'm using the flathead obviously. Pull out the clip and the ball should easily pop out of the socket. Gotta do that at the bottom first, and then we're gonna go for the angled one at the top. We're gonna do one side at a time here. Off the top clip, ball and socket disconnected. While we're zoomed in up here, we'll go ahead and put the new one in. I'm just curious, will it slip on and clamp itself? Yes, okay, so it'll easily push in and clamp itself in place. Let's zoom down to the bottom here. Orient it properly. Now we're going to have to compress it a little bit. Just manually push it. Should pop it in. Let's go to the other side. Pull the clip. Pop the ball and socket. Go to the top. Kind of right back into the sun right now. Hopefully this is coming out. Pop that clip. Ball and socket disconnected. Top first. Sit. Coffee out the way. Tools are out of the way. Looking good.
Stratification complete.